Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Okay friends, in today's video we'll do an unboxing and a trial review of the cordless Hedger trimmer. This is by Makita. So I got this particular tool because I already have a whole bunch of tools with Makita and these 18-volt batteries. So this is the tool only, does not come with a charger, does not come with any batteries. So tool only. You can also purchase it so that it does come with batteries and a charger, obviously. I'll put a link down in the description so you can check out this product, and I'll show you where I purchased this online. But you're gonna save some money doing it this way. All right, let's open it up and let's take a look. So here's everything that came in the box. It looks absolutely brand new, beautiful, shiny, looking good, and it's got this nice cover to go over the blade as well. And it comes with cordless hedge trimmer. There's the instruction manual right there. And a warranty card. It says it comes with a 3-year warranty. That's really nice as well. And of course, they're gonna try to sell you on some other tools as well, which I strongly recommend. Their drills, really, really awesome. Okay, I put a battery on right there. Let's give it a go, see how it works. So one thing that's kind of nice about this is that you have to push this in as well as have the trigger going down. In other words, it's gonna take 2 hands to operate this, and it seems pretty smart to me. So if you look at the sizing right here, boy, you could get a finger in here and get in a lot of trouble as far as damaging a finger or other appendages. So pretty smart idea by Makita there. All right, let's take it outside, see how it works. So there you go, we made pretty fast work of this little mini hedge I have right here. I'll tackle a few more spots, but we basically went from this-ish over to this in about 2 minutes. So really nice job, Makita, way to go. This is a great product. Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, sure appreciate it. Also look down in the description below and I'll put a link to both this product, also the batteries and the full kit you can buy as well.